Okay, obviously that wasn't it, but I do have it with me. Today is October 26th, so it took about a month to get here. That is mainly due to the chip shortage worldwide because of the current circumstances. Okay, here it is for real this time. As you can see, it has batteries in it and the seal on the outside, which makes it pretty easy to open. Throughout the video, I'm kind of keeping in mind which factors Apple has taken to back up their sustainability claims. So we'll have this counter throughout to track the kind of sustainability pluses and minuses for this packaging. And there it is. As you can see, there's kind of minimalist packaging here, but enough to keep it protected while it's being shipped. Let's go ahead and take this out. And this is the iPhone 13 Pro. Already starting off with recyclable packaging, so that's a good start, and we'll add one here. Another welcome to change is that there's no cellophane wrap on the outside. A lot of that is thanks to the seal that's there. The packaging overall feels pretty nice, and in the hand you can tell already that it's slimmer than usual. This is probably enough to fit the phone and not too much else. Apple claims that this will help them ship more phones with the same shipments, which means less fuel emissions. We'll give them that one. Satisfying seal rip. There's the traditional resistance when opening the box, which gives it that fancy kind of feel. Not as much as usual though, because it's a little bit slimmer. It's pretty immediate already that the camera bump's big. They had to have a cutout for it in the packaging there. Most of the glass on the back is matte textured, while the camera bump has a shiny glass texture. The sides are stainless steel. I like it. The screen protector tells you what all the buttons do. They relate to your traditional smartphone buttons. And then this little flap down here tells you that this is where the charging port is. Still lightning, by the way. Inside we've got the little paperwork packet, which per usual has the Apple stickers here at the back, and then the SIM tool here in the front. This is something you'll need to take the SIM card out of your old phone and put in the new one. Next we've got the charging cable here, USB-C to Lightning, but no power adapter, which Apple claims is because people already have them, but they'll also go and sell you one on their website for $20, which means more shipments of items and more packaging, which means more pollution. So I'm not sure why they do that. It's interesting also because you can just go and buy a similar charger for cheaper elsewhere. But the box itself is recyclable, so I would say that's a plus too. Using that tab at the bottom, let's remove that screen protector. Nice. And there it is. The only thing left to do is power it on. And that's been it for this unboxing. Overall, I would say pretty sustainable, this setup here. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments below. Don't forget to leave a like on this video, it'll really help me out. And if you're interested in seeing more videos, maybe consider subscribing because that would help me out too. In the future, I'm looking to do a video that's more hands-on and also a comparison video to other phones for those who think they might want to upgrade. Peace.